Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating our replacement wiper linkage pushrod arms for the Nissan Qashqai wiper linkage. You can see here our replacement wiper pushrod arms. These fit in exactly the same way as the original part, featuring our unique bearings on each end, which are designed to last for the life of the vehicle. You can see here these are exactly the same size and shape as the original and are designed to be an easy, direct fit. You can see here the original linkage arms, the bearing bushes on each end. It's very common for these to wear down and, as you can see here, pop off at the ball joints. This is what causes the wiper faults. Usually you'll find one or more of these is loose. This allows you to just pull the linkage rod arms out of position. You can see here the bearings which have worn down. If the arms are not loose, you can use a screwdriver, a spanner, or a pry tool to get underneath and lift these off. This should be a quick and easy process. Once you've got one end of the linkage arm off, you can lift the linkage arm and release it from the other ball joint. Again, you can see the worn bearings on either end. You can then fit our replacement arms. Locate these in exactly the same place as the original part. Locate the bearing onto the ball joint and clamp on using a clamp or mole grips. Repeat this process for all of the bearings. Again, this part fits in exactly the same way as the original. Just locate it onto the ball joint and clamp into position. We use mole grips here. This makes it nice and easy. You'll see once that's on the ball joint, it's retained there nicely. And finally, clamp the last bearing into position. You'll see the linkage arms are nicely retained and are not going to budge from the ball joints. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, you can contact us on 01843 446643 or you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Thank you.